Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can install mod in your Minecraft. You are getting bored with your old Minecraft? Then you can simply add mods to increase the excitement. Many of us don't know about how to install the mod inside of the Minecraft. There are many ways and today I will show you some. So basically open your browser and search for CurseForge just like I'm searching. And when you search it on the top you will see this CurseForge website and the logo like in anvil. Go here, you will find different kind of game mod, but we are going to the Minecraft mod. In the search option you can search whatever mod you want, or I'm going to search for mouse tweaks. It's a very helpful mod and tons of people use it. See, 194.4 million. After arriving here you have to go back to your browser, I mean the launcher, and you have to check that what version do you play. I play Forge 1.19.2, so there are different game versions. The mod won't work if the versions and the launcher version is different. So I have to get the similar mod version. Here you can see Forge 1.19.2. That's it. I want to download it. If the versions are different, there will be many errors and many things can happen. So it has to be same. And after 5 seconds, it will get downloaded. Generally it downloads automatically, but if it doesn't continue downloading automatically you can press the click here button. You can see I have in my download section I have downloaded it. So after downloading it, simply copy it and we have to go back to our launcher. Here you can see a folder icon on the bottom. Click on it and you will see a mod folder, mods. So you have to go inside of it and paste it, the mod we copied earlier, and after that quit it and enter into the game. The process I shown it is for TL launcher. Now TL launcher is free on PC, so I am showing it. And how to install TL launcher, I have also made a video on that. Go and check on my channel. Now we are going to the mod section to see if our mods is here or not, and you can see mouse tweaks. It's inside of the game. This mod is must. It helps a lot. I will give you a guide and tutorial how to use the mod. Now there are many different ways to install mod. I just showed you one. The next one is go simply into the TL mod section. Here on the top you will see this create option. Press on it. Whichever name you want to choose, you can choose. I am going to say Minecraft mods. Okay, and then you can see release type forge. Of course it needs to be forge. And here you have to choose on the top, whichever is on the top you have to choose it, and whichever game version you like. I will choose 1.19.2. So after that I'm gonna tap on create. After creating it, now go to this mods. You will see there is no mods installed over here. On the top you see installed mods. Now if we enter the game will download a little bit because we just opened a new server. It's basically our own server. After entering the game, on the mod you see there are only 3 mods. These are not mods, these were presets, and the mouse tweaks is gone because this is a whole different server. Here let me show you. See, there are different type of servers. Forge, I play Forge 1.19.2, but Minecraft mod, I just created it, the name you can see. Look there, release Minecraft mod. See, I just created my own server. So to insert mods in this server, you can simply install the TL mods. There are many mods in this TL launcher app, or you can do it manually. I will show you later. See, that's journey map Optifine. It's installed. It takes a few, just 1 or 2 seconds, and then it gets installed. After that, if you press the manual installation button, go over here and select files. You have to go wherever your mods are, the mod sections. On the download folder, you can see I am going to. I have this Minecraft mod folder made. I have downloaded many Minecraft mods. So I'm going to get this bigger stacks mod. It's very helpful. See, I pressed install and it's installed. I manually installed it. It was not on the TL launcher from before. So now I have to enter the game, and after clicking it, it will download a little files. Not a way, it won't take much time. After that, it will load and boom. Not boom yet. Let's see if it booms or not. Oh yeah, look above the journey map. The TL skin was here. Bigger stacks. I've installed it, and now what about Optifine? Optifine is a mod which allows you to have many options like this: details, animations, performance. These options weren't here before. It just arrived after installing the Optifine mod. It's a great mod. So this was it. I showed you the basics. Now you can install mods by your own. Simply follow my steps.